my dear friends. Hope today you are feeling wonderful and stunning. I would refresh my students today with the most interesting and entertaining tongue twister. The tongue twister is a big black bug bit a big black dog on his big black nose. A big black bug bit a big black dog on his big black nose. So, accompany me to my class and enjoy the wonderful and the horrible tongue twister. A big black bug bit a big black dog on his big black nose. Okay, dear students, today we have a very interesting, very entertaining, and very funny tongue twister. So we have three students. First Shayan welcome, and then Jawad, and then after that at the end Khurshid will compete. So I would like Mr. Shayan to come and practice this beautiful and this horrible tongue twister. Okay, Shayan.
A big black bug bit a big black dog on his big black nose. A big black bug bit a big black dog on his big black nose. A big bit a big black nose. A big black bug bit a big black dog on his big black nose. A big black bug bit a big black dog on his big black nose. A big black bug bit a big dog on his big black nose.
Okay, next.
A big black bug but a big black dog on his big black nose. A big black bug but a big dog on his big black nose. A big black bug but a big black dog on his big black nose. A big black bug but a big black dog on his big black nose. A big black bug dog on his big black nose. A big black bug but a big black dog on his big black nose.
Okay, next. Mr. Khurshid.
A big black dog with a big black dog on his big black nose. A big black bug with a big black dog on his big black nose. A big black bug with a big black dog on his big black nose. A big black bug with a big black dog on his big black bug with a big black dog on his big black nose. A big black bug with a big black dog on his big black nose.
Okay, thank you. Well done. Okay, now tell me, who say among you, who says that, raise your hand, that Mr. Khurshid is the best one. Raise your hand. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, Mr. Khurshid got 30 votes. Now for Mr. Shayan. You stand up, please. Mr. Shayan, who says that he was better? Yeah, he was the best. Only? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you got 5 votes. And for Mr. Jawad. Mr. Jawad, this Mr. Jawad, okay. Who says? Okay. Only 1 vote? Okay. So, big clap for Mr. Khurshid. You stand up.